There's a lot of teachers that are emailing me right now saying that they're having trouble getting their students to hear video on their end when they are hosting a Zoom meeting. Here's the quick fix. Yes, you're going to want to make sure that your settings are set up so that your microphone and that your audio from your computer are set. So your speakers, you want to test those and test your microphone. And to do that, all I did was go to video, where it says stop video, go to video settings when I'm hosting a meeting, and then go down to audio. And you can test your speaker. You should hear a sound. Test your microphone. You should hear yourself. Test your microphone. You should hear yourself. There you go. And then the other piece of it is when you're playing a video, if I'm playing one of my videos and I don't hear it, I logged on as someone else that was viewing this as a student, and I put my earbuds in. I want to make sure that I hear the audio. So as the teacher, I want to go over to my control panel where it says more, and it says share computer sound. A lot of you guys will have that unchecked. Check that, and then when you hit play,
click it. And here's where you're going to be able to see
I
all
hear
of your
it.
assignments.
So that's all you really need. Go over to more, share computer sound, and that's it.